Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Dreamers Relief Pillow. And as you can see right here, this is a pillow that will help you with your posture during your sleep. So as you can see, it helps side sleepers, stomach sleepers, and back sleepers all together. So as you can see, with your spine angle, it helps you with that. It also has memory foam with technology. And so far, this product seems to be very legit. And we have it here also on Amazon, and which is rated 4.3 out of 5 stars with 30 ratings. So let's see some reviews down here. So as we saw the reviews right here. So it had 5-star, goodbye neck pain, hello sweet dreams, decent quality and a little stiff, perfect for me and my neck pains, much improved sleep, nice quality, it's comfortable at times, so not all the time, best sleep I've had in a while, perfect for neck and shoulder pain, provides relief, and a lot more. So if you want to go ahead and try this product out, if you have back pains, this is better than the traditional pillow, your old pillow. So if you want to go ahead and buy this, this product seems to be very legit. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.